Hey, and welcome back to our house, Living with the Lindsays. So today, I'm making chili for the first time. I've never made it before, honestly. Usually, my old man make it, but I have some questions. I don't know if I'm supposed to use these. I thought you're supposed to use, like, big tomatoes. I don't know. I'm confused. And then this is sauce. And then this is puree, but it looked the same. And I know you use this. I already know that. Then I don't know if I use both of these packs. And it's just my seasonings I'm using for my meat. So, here's my hamburger. I'm going to start frying it up. I'm so confused. Because I thought you used stewed tomatoes. But it says diced and chilies. I don't know. We'll figure this out together. Okay, so now I'm frying up my hamburger. But I had a question. Like y'all can answer me. I don't know if I should sprinkle some of this on the hamburger or use both packs in the sauce. I don't know. Can you do that or not? Let me see. Let me read the back. I got some instructions and some directions. It says 2 cans of tomato sauce, 1 can of diced tomatoes. Oh, okay. Undrained, so don't drain them. Kidney beans, undrained. Oh, I was going to drain them because I don't like the juice. So undrained, okay. Oh, okay. You can use sauce or the diced thing. You don't have to use both of them. But should I use both of them? Well, anyway, it say 2 cans, so maybe I use one of each. Because I don't have 2 cans of this or 2 cans of that. Oh, I got 2. I don't know. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm just all... Because my little stand, my tripod is broke, and I don't know why or how it broke. So, I don't know, but I seasoned it already. I rinsed the top of my cans off. I just can't believe I can't drain these. Ugh. Okay. I'll be back. Okay, so I'm draining my meat. And also I was putting the seasonings up. And I found this, so I added a little bit of this while I was frying the hamburger. And y'all, I do not like the way this looks in this can. But it say undrained, so I'm going to try it. So let me pour. Should I? Okay. I'm not going to season it. But I feel like I should season it. But I'm not going to. Okay, that was the diced tomatoes and chilies. Now I'm going to pour in this tomato sauce. And y'all, if y'all hear that noise, that's the fan in the back. I had to turn it on because it was getting a little smoky. The beans. I'm still debating if I should add the 2 packs. I don't know. This looks like a lot for 1 pack of seasoning. And now I'm gonna add this. It might be enough. Stir it up. My auntie, I'm sorry about my hand. My auntie makes some good chili, and she makes hers with noodles, and it is so good. Shout out to Auntie Joyce. Alright. The hamburger should be drained. I don't like a lot of beans in my chili, but Nelly and my husband do, so let's see. Now I gotta figure out how long to let it cook. It say bring it to a boil, but it don't, and say turn on low, but it don't say how long. This thing say it made 4 servings. It said 10 minutes. I don't know. Okay. Okay, so I brought it to a boil. This look like a lot for 4 servings. Oh. It's like a whole lot. Because we always have leftovers. Like a lot of leftovers. So they talking about 4 servings. Alright, now turn it on low. Let it simmer. And we'll see. I'm gonna let Lost Taster and see if I did a good job. I'm still debating on that other pack of seasoning though. I ain't even gonna lie. But I'm scared. I don't want to mess it up. Oh no, y'all. I can't turn the camera off. Oh no, don't go that far. What are you doing? Turn off, turn off. Oh, Jesus. What is the hell is it doing? Oh my God. Okay, y'all. It's been longer than 10 minutes. It's been about an hour on here, and I have stirred it occasionally. I was gonna let Lost try it when he come home because he's visiting his mom, and Nelly's at work, so he's home now. But he said he's not hungry because it's hot at that door, and his stomach ain't feeling no food right now. So, but when he eats it with put a little cheese on it and some crackers, some saltine crackers. And I feel like this needed something else to it. Like next time I'm trying to make half of it with Italian sausage and hamburger meat and see what it tastes like. Okay, YouTube. This is the end of the video. So I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.